Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I'm so very excited to share with you my newest and greatest series. I am sharing some of my favorite meal prep for the summertime. So it's going to be a summer meal prep series. Meal prepping seems to be a really big thing, and it was very popular when I did it in the beginning of the year. So I thought, why not bring it back? So if you guys love meal prepping, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what I made for breakfast. So my breakfast meal prep for the week was something very easy. It's a Greek-inspired egg bake is what I'm going to call it. But all I did was take a Pyrex tray, sprayed it with a little bit of avocado spray, and then I went ahead and scrambled my eggs. So I had about 8 eggs and I added about a cup of egg whites to it as well. I went ahead and whisked that all up and then added some sun-dried tomatoes. This adds so much good flavor. And then I had this crumbled feta. I couldn't find the real block feta, so I only had this in the fridge. And so I went ahead and added that along with some artichoke hearts. Now this is a little weird, but I thought it was amazing in this egg bake. The last thing I added was some spinach. I just ripped it up with my hands and added it about a couple cups because I really wanted spinach to run throughout the egg bake. All I did next was pour it into my Pyrex glass container again and bake it at 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. You just want to make sure the eggs really settle well and that it looks cooked. And that's it. That is going to be breakfast for the entire week. All right, now for lunch, I don't know about you, but during the summertime, I really like having cold things and especially salads. So for lunch, I kept it very simple. I baked 5 pieces of just this black bean Morningstar veggie burger that I got from Costco. And while that was baking, I made myself a little salad. So I laid out some lettuce. On top of the lettuce, I added some cherry tomatoes. Then I diced up some red bell peppers really small so that I can add it to the salad as well. And then that was really it for the salad. So I moved on to the side dishes. I just had some side of carrots, and personally, I love carrots just on its own. And then of course, after the veggie burgers were done, I just cut them in half or in fourths and added it to my containers. And then the last bit was just having dressing on the side. I like to put it in a little container, and really I had 3 different kinds of dressings. 2 of them were store-bought. Another one was a balsamic vinaigrette that I made at home. But really simple lunch that I just ate cold. I didn't even warm it up, didn't have to bother, and I feel like it's perfect for the summer. No hassle, very easy to make, and very delicious. Alright, now for dinner, I kept it super simple. So I've been currently obsessed with my grilled chicken teriyaki, so I decided to make that for dinner. I have the entire recipe from my last video last week on Friday, and then also I will add the link to the video in the description box below. But it's super easy, very quick, and it's perfect for the summertime. So I had that as my main protein. And then for veggies, I really just love having steamed broccoli, and so I decided to have some steamed broccoli. Just really easy. Just boiled it in water for about 5 minutes. I like it a little bit on the crisper side. I have this sesame dressing that I absolutely love, so I went ahead and added that, but you could just add whatever seasoning that you like or whatever other dressing that you might have on hand. And then I just had a side of rice, and that is it. That is dinner. Super simple, super easy, perfect for the summertime. All right, there you guys go. That is my first installment of my summer meal prep series. I absolutely love doing meal preps because not only does it keep me accountable, but I get to share great ideas and inspire all of you out there. So if you guys love this meal prep series, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.